Let's make pumpkin donuts for dogs. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Your dog is going to love these homemade dog treats. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and gather your ingredients. Start by adding 57 grams of coconut oil to a small pot. Let your dog get some licks while you measure it out. Coconut oil will help improve your dog's skin and coat. Melt the coconut oil over the stovetop, or you can also do this in a microwave-safe bowl. Transfer the melted coconut oil to a mixing bowl. Next, add in 43 grams of raw honey. I love using honey for dog treats because it adds natural sweetness and it's antimicrobial and antibacterial. Next, add in 113 grams of pumpkin puree. Our favorite is Nummy Tum Tum, which you can also eat too. Then we're going to add in our all-purpose flour, unsweetened fine shredded coconut, and baking powder. Just be sure to use unsweetened coconut because your dog doesn't need added sugars. Last, add in a quarter cup of coconut milk. Be sure to use organic coconut milk with no added sugars or flavors. If you want to use oat milk, that also works. Just ensure the only two ingredients are oats and water. Stir this up using a spatula until you get a thick, paste-like batter. I like to transfer this to a piping bag, and my top trick for filling it is using a milkshake cup. If you don't have a piping bag, you could also use a zip bag. You can also spoon the batter into the pan, but the cavities are very small in this mini donut pan, so the piping bag really helps. Grease the donut pan with coconut oil. I just like to do this with my hand. Then pipe the batter into the mini donut pan. Bake at 350 degrees for about 10 to 13 minutes or until the donuts look golden brown and set. Add the remaining unsweetened coconut to a quarter sheet pan. Parchment paper is optional, but I always like to use it. Bake for 3 to 5 minutes or until lightly toasted. Once the donuts are cooled, using a butter knife or even a piping bag, you can frost the donuts with plain Greek yogurt. Be sure to use plain yogurt without any added sugars or flavors. Greek yogurt is full of good probiotics for your dog, plus they absolutely love it. Last, top the donuts with the toasted coconut. If your dog is dairy-free, you can use creamy peanut butter instead. Just be sure the peanut butter is dog-safe and it doesn't have any added sugars, flavors, or especially xylitol. Spoil your dog this fall with these pumpkin donuts for dogs. If you want more fun dog recipes to make with your fur baby, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us next time in the kitchen.